Hello, in this video we present the Hilti TE1000 breaker, one of the most popular and well-known tools within the braking category. The TE1000 is part of a broad family of Hilti 110 volt breakers, which includes the TE700, TE2000 and TE3000, all suited for specific applications and jobs. Selecting the right tool is the key. The TE1000 is all about versatility. It's lightweight yet powerful and is the breaker of choice for walls and floors. It can break concrete up to depths of around 1000 millimeters or 10 centimeters. We recommend training and PPE when operating any of our breakers. Your PPE should include gloves, goggles, safety boots, hard hats, ear defenders and a respiratory mask. You should also use an RCD breaker. That and the PPE required are available at checkout on hss.com. The TE1000 is a powerful tool for breaking up concrete, masonry and other types of walls and flooring. It weighs just 12.5 kilograms, runs off a 110 volt power supply and can be transported in the back of a standard car. This model is supplied with optional inserts, including points, chisels or bolsters, and can break up to 1.3 cubic meters of concrete per minute. For help with selecting the correct inserts to suit your job, please ask in branch or use the live chat feature on hss.com. The TE1000 is designed with several safety features to protect the user, including the chassis, which features active vibration reduction, or AVR. Thanks to this incredible piece of engineering, the TE1000 vibrates up to 50% less than conventional breakers. This results in less user fatigue, enabling longer user times and increased productivity. We also recommend that this tool is hired with the optional dust adapter and Hilti VC40 dust extractor. These items combined will reduce dust to protect you and your environment from exposure to silica dust. To set the breaker up, you'll need to adjust the side handle to a comfortable working position. Release the side handle clamping band by turning the knob and relaxing the tension on the clamping ring. Slide over the chuck onto the cylindrical section at the front of the tool. Then, adjust the side handle and tighten the knob once more. Next, you'll want to fit your braking insert. Be careful, these can be very sharp. If you need to have an insert sharpened or need extra due to working on a larger job, contact your local branch and they can arrange this for you. When inserting your point or chisel, you'll notice it can be adjusted in 60-degree increments. This ensures the correct position whether you are using flat or shaped chisels. Before inserting, make sure that the contact end is clean and lightly greased. Push the insert tool into the chuck and rotate it while applying slight pressure until it is engaged into the guide grooves. Push the insert tool further into the chuck until you hear it engage. Check the insert tool has engaged correctly by pulling on it. You should now be ready to power up the breaker. To turn the breaker on, you'll need to uncoil and connect all power cables and then press the power switch on top. The machine will then need to warm up before it can be used. To test whether it is ready to use, bring the chisel's tip into contact with the surface. If the hammering mechanism does not begin, allow it to warm up for another 30 seconds and repeat the process. Once running, the hammer mechanism will deliver around 1,950 impacts per minute. If needed, the power can be reduced to approximately 70% by pressing the power level selector switch. When you are done using the breaker, you should switch off the tool and the power supply before unplugging any equipment. If you'd like to learn more about the TE1000 or our other braking tools, visit hss.com today.